My name is Jess Olson, and I do business development in the DFW office. What I'm doing for the company is using my marketing background and just kind of my fun, bubbly energy, helping put a friendly, familiar face in front of our clients and in front of new potential clients. What drew me to the company is Chris and his values, and just having known him for such a long time and knowing what he's built, that's what made me want to be a part of the team. What I respect most about Chris is he puts family and his community and just people first. His focus isn't, let's make money. It's a part of it, but it's not his main focus. His main focus is quality of life and family first and how important those things are. We're primarily dealing with disasters and emergency situations, and just knowing that we're humans and we're people too, and we care about people, it speaks volumes on our values of the company. We're not just in it to make a dollar. If we can help a customer and it's not directly through using us, maybe it's through using someone else, that's gonna be our suggestion. It's more in the client relationship building focus than it is the money-making focus. Obviously, it goes hand in hand, but the primary goal is, our ethics and our values and how we want our clients to feel. It feels like a family. Everyone is teaching me things and I'm learning so much from everyone. And it's like, I feel like everyone is in my corner and everyone's in each other's corners. So it's very community, family driven. Going forward, I want to be a part of a company that's a lifelong career versus just a job. That's important to me as a foundation, because if you don't love what you're doing and who you work with, then you're not gonna wanna do it forever. I'm just very honored to be a part of this team, and I'm excited personally for myself to grow in learning a whole new industry, and I'm excited to see where the company goes.